Amore mio, we must take care. My father's mood has grown dark and he is quick to anger. He has men on the gates all through the night. I will not visit, for a while at least. Just know that I love you, forever, and with all of my heart. Isabella.
Baron Fontanella. Please. This way.
Go. Raffaele, sit. You said it was urgent, so please.
Perhaps, Bernardo, we could speak privately?
Anything you wish to discuss, you can say it here. Welcome to know in time.
Very well, then. There is a situation at my factory outside of Collezolfo.
And what situation is that? I've heard of no problems.
Striking workers are making outrageous demands. Production's ground to a halt. Total shutdown. Something's happened with your man, Lorenzetti.
Lorenzetti's a friend, a trusted man. He's kept order there for years.
Seems things have changed. Because it is he supposedly behind this strike.
That I find hard to believe.
Perhaps you'll believe this. No signatory, of course, but only he could be behind this. And the workers take orders from him.
You are right to bring this to my attention. Thank you, Raffaele.
Always something with Fontanella.
There is. But this needs investigation. I leave that to you.
Okay.
Give me a moment.
Yeah.
Come, Enzo. Walk with me. Vincenzo Lorenzetti. He's known the Don since they were just boys. He broke strikes with me at the Fontanella factory in the 90s. This is out of character. Do what you can to track him down, but tread carefully. He'll know we're looking for him.
I'll find him. We can straighten this out.
Ask around. The men may have heard something. And talk to Tino. He has eyes everywhere.
Oh, Enzo.
Roberto, there's been some trouble at Fontanella's factory over in Collezolfo. You heard anything?
Meh, I don't hear much from that side of the valley. Seems to be trouble everywhere these days, though.
All right. Grazie.
Spadaro's brought in men from Agrigento.
He's impatient, always has been. It won't be long now.
We can hold our own. What are you so worried about?
Il Merlo.
Spadaro, you're from Collezolfo, aren't you? Have you heard anything from there recently?
Well, I heard the factory's closed. Lot of men out of work. Union trouble, most likely. It used to be Bud there.
All right. Grazie. I'm going to find this Lorenzetti. Headed over to Collezolfo, so I could do with some backup.
I can't. My uncle wants 6 of us on the collection run in case Spadaro tries anything.
Ah, all right. You know anything about Lorenzetti?
Just what you heard. Vincenzo Lorenzetti. Foreman at Collezolfo. I tried talking to Pasquale. He fixes the machines over at the factory.
Will do. Be careful out there, Cesare.
Hey, you too. Eyes keen, huh? Hand on your knife.
Enzo, buongiorno.
Isabella, did you get my note?
I did, but I couldn't get out. Too many guards. But I miss you, amore mio. I'll keep trying.
I miss you too. Be careful.
It's already war. But nobody wants to call it that. Not yet.
It was the same last time. Everyone afraid to say the word until there's no denying it.
Either of you know Lorenzetti? A factory foreman. Seen him lately?
Vincenzo? Yeah, we play cards sometimes. Enrico here cleaned them out 3 weeks ago. Haven't seen him since.
Lucky Lorenzetti. Been on a losing streak for a long time. Heard he owes a lot of money, but keep that to yourself.
I will. Grazie.
You think he's in trouble?
Hope not. Still owes me 100 lira.
Enzo, come stai?
Oh, Valerio. I'm looking for someone. Lorenzetti from Collezolfo. You know him?
Only by name. But some of the boys play cards with him. They might know more. Watch yourself in Collezolfo, you capisti? The Spadaro thing could boil over any day. I can feel it. You want to take something to protect yourself? Got some beautiful weapons from America. Shame not to use them. Good hunting, Enzo.
What's the matter? Get going. Hurry up. I take it you want to discuss our friend the foreman.
Luke asked me to find Lorenzetti. What can you tell me?
Until today, there wasn't much to tell. He gambles, has a mistress in Collezolfo, an old pot washer named Angelica Vaccaro.
Anything else?
His cousin, Camillo Burgio, a socialista, union man. He may have an hand in this. Ask around.
Grazie, Tino.
Don't fuck this up. Just find Lorenzetti and bring him here. I'll do the rest.
not like this!
Enzo, what brings you out here?
Ciao, Pasquale. I just need information. You know Vincenzo Lorenzetti? The foreman at Collezolfo?
Yeah, I know him, but I don't see him like I used to. It's always one thing after another with him.
What kind of thing?
Money. And always a good story for why he needs it. Never his fault. But I know he gambles it away, or spends it on that mistress.
When did you last see him?
Months ago. Maybe longer. Try his cousin, Camillo Burcio. He lives over in Collezolfo. He'll know something.
Grazie, Pasquale.
Hey, why don't you take a look around before you go?
Good. He's back.
Bless me, Father. In nome dello Padre, o Figlio e dello Spirito Santo.
The fucking bastards. Who are they to tell us what's in our best interest, huh? They're worse than the clans.
We would have gone with him in a heartbeat, but he didn't want that. Just so.
You looking for someone?
Like that before.
Camillo Burgio? I'm looking for Lorenzetti. I'm a friend.
Let me guess. You're with Fontanella?
And you're with the union. Did you help Lorenzetti arrange his strike?
Wish I had. First I heard about it was him turning the men away at the gate.
That doesn't make sense.
I'm right it doesn't. Vincenzo hates the union. Barely talks to me because of it. Look, you want answers? Go talk to his gambling buddies. Tonio and, Sebastiano. They're together almost every night.
Grazie, signore. I will.
It's not Lorenzetti. This thing goes high. You didn't see those union enforcers slinking about?
What do you want?
Pezzi di merda.
I'm looking for Vincenzo Lorenzetti, signora.
You're wasting your time here. I already told your friends I have no money.
Friends? What do you mean?
2 of them. Never seen them before. Rough looking. Came around asking questions just like you.
Is Vincenzo inside, signora?
No. He went out to play cards last night and hasn't been back since. He'll be caught up in all that trouble at the factory.
Who does he play cards with?
Those idiots from the town. Tonio, Sebastiano, there's a bunch of them. Thick as thieves.
Any of you Tonio or Sebastiano? Have you seen Vincenzo Lorenzetti lately?
Sure, last night. We were up in his office playing cards, like always. Then these 2 ugly bastardi turned up and make us all leave.
What did they want?
No idea. Not like Vincenzo to leave a game when he's winning. The office is up the hill by the well. Go take a look.
Grazie.
He didn't want us there. And he lied to some of the others. Told them there was no war. Now, you know what?
Benedicimi. Lorenzetti, you in there? Must be another way in. didn't make this mess alone. There has to be something. Ye puttana! Should check in here too. Tino needs to know about this. Spadaros.
You're the man who's looking for Lorenzetti? Please, out here. Let me show you. Look, down there. If you're looking for Lorenzetti, well, there are armed men down at the factory stripping the place. They dragged Lorenzetti to Fontanella's office, locked the gates.
I'll find a way in. You did the right thing letting me know, signore. I'll take it from here. Lorenzetti? What happened?
Bastard held me here. Beat me. Took everything. Even Merlo.
He was here?
Chased the workers away. They want to lean on Fontanella.
Okay, tranquillo. Can you move?
No.
Lorenzetti! Lorenzetti! Merda!
Can't help your friend. Would not be the first time, huh? We're bleeding your man Fontanella dry. He's finished. Huh? Come on now. I'll explain it all to you. Oh? Oh! Oh well, smoke him out.
Got to get out of here. Now. Easy. Easy.
somewhere?
Are you out of your mind? We'll both burn in here.
Not if I make this quick.
You don't have to do this.
Foreman's dead, and already cremated.
What happened?
The Caruso found Lorenzetti beaten half to death. Spadaro's dog stripped the place clean, then torched it.
Enzo?
He's alive, but he isn't our concern right now. You know what this all means?
They're moving on the whole valley.
That horse shit about this man acting alone in the tannery. This was already in motion.
Puttana miseria. Fontanella's finished. Any value that he had is gone.
This is between us and Spadaro. We should have ended that pudanazza back then. Vendettas must end.
If this is how he wants it, this is how it'll be.